consistency will be neither too thick nor too thin. It will be like this. Apply at least 2 coats and let it dry. After drying, it will look like this. Now, cut a masking tape and paste it on a flat surface. Using a craft knife, I am cutting out straight lines from it. I have pasted all the tapes. Now I will apply acrylic color with sponge. You can use cotton also for applying colors. Don't forget to blend the two colors properly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends so that everyone can see it. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload any video. Let it dry for some time and then pull out the tapes. Discover beautiful patterns on your phone. Now last but not the least, apply transparent nail polish on it to secure the color. And it's ready! Thanks for watching.